new study from NASA adds evidence that a source of geothermal heat, explaining part of the melting that creates lakes and rivers under the ice sheet. Although the heat source is not a new or growing threat to the West Antarctic ice sheet, it may help explain why the ice sheet collapsed rapidly in an earlier era of rapid climate change, and why it is so unstable in the news. Understanding the sources and future of meltwater in West Antarctica is important in estimating the rate at which ice may be lost in the ocean in the future. The bedrock of Antarctica is full of rivers and lakes, the largest of which is the size of Lake Erie. Many lakes fill and drain quickly, forcing the surface of the ice thousands of feet above them to rise and fall up to 6 meters. The movement allows scientists to estimate where and how much water should exist in the base. About 30 years ago, a scientist at the University of Colorado at Denver suggested that the heat of a mantle plume under Marie Byrd Land could explain regional volcanic activity and a topographic dome characteristic. The very recent seismic image has supported this concept. When Aline Saroussi of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, first heard the idea, however, I thought it was crazy. I did not see how we could have that amount of heat and still have ice on top. They used the ISSM ice sheet system model, a numerical representation of ice layer physics developed by JPL scientists and the University of California at Irvine. Saroussi improved the ISSM to capture natural sources of heating and heat transport from freezing, melting and liquid water, friction, and other processes. To ensure that the model was realistic, scientists turned to observations of changes in the ice sheet surface altitude made by NASA's ICESat satellite and the Operation Icebridge campaign in the air.